Some superpowers like USA, UK, and Germany should work according to the situation. Their countries need very fast problem solving over some social issues, and politicians should focus on those problems instead of jumping into a war. A small dispute, a small work through armed forces by Russia into Ukraine cannot be termed as a war. And America, UK, and Germany want it to make a big war. This is not a good thing. I propose USA, UK, and Germany should not enter war. It's their own decision. But I want to see people of America, Germany, and United Kingdom go through problem solving in their own countries. I am not taking side of Russia. Nobody is enemy of anybody unless you provoke them. So it is not right thing that for a small dispute between two countries, superpowers of world, make a scenario fit for a world war. Now this can be saved if United States of America, United Kingdom, and Germany, the people of these countries, ask their governments to say no to war. People will not die in Russian-Ukraine conflict, but if these three superpowers arrive into the scenario, the condition would become worse. And these three countries and people of these countries should not treat me like I am directing somebody or favoring somebody. No. There are a lot of factors that can trigger a World War III. And how mature you are, these superpowers should show their maturity. Otherwise, there are a lot of countries like Pakistan, they are very eager to start a world war, and they used to get a lot of financial help through USA, UK, and now they are with Russia. There are a lot of opportunist nations or leaders, and they are also not faithful to Russia. They are doing it for financial aid from China and Russia. And now USA, Germany, and United Kingdom should think wisely, because already they have spent a lot in Afghanistan, and what they shall spend if the war begins into this war, that money I would propose USA, UK, and Germany can give me 13% of that money, and I can solve their problems, social issues, and major problems, even budget deficit, within 6 months or less. But whenever I propose something good, governments never reply. And when any dispute emerges in a faraway land, they are always ready. Now, whose money is going to be spent in Russian Ukraine conflict if United States of America, United Kingdom, or Germany enters the war, whose money? The taxpayers of Germany, the taxpayers of United Kingdom, and taxpayers of USA. Now that is not threat to America, UK, or Germany, but the feeling of dominance over others. And that feeling is not good when you have own problems. If you are strong enough, you have a good GDP, at least ask your soldiers who never reply no. They are always ready for the war. They are born to fight. But it is not good to send them to a faraway land. It is not a threat to USA, it is not a threat to United Kingdom or Germany, and even sanctions on Russia. We have seen such sanctions are of no use. Nobody fears such sanctions. Take example of North Korea, take example of Pakistan. How many sanctions were imposed? Could such remedies transform the policy of such nations? No. So, I would also propose that French officials should also not intervene into Russian-Ukraine conflict. Although Vladimir Putin welcomed him, but as a thinker, I feel this time he would not listen to anybody. And it is like conflict between a country which was part of USSR. So it's a kind of brotherly feeling in a way, and Russia feels Ukraine is belongs to them. So in such situations, when two brothers are having conflict, an elder brother goes, then they are not going to make bloodshed. If other countries arrive into the war, then Russia would be forced for bloodshed, as well as UK, Germany, and American forces shall also reply accordingly. So I just pray to stop making a small conflict a big tussle, a big war. And now that money, the taxpayers don't pay for war unless there is an urgent security threat or a terror attack into United States of America, UK, or Germany. Now Russia is also not a land of terrorists. Pakistan is a land where cultivation of terrorism is done. It is widely known. It is unsafest country to visit. Although I don't say there are always good people, good and bad people in every country. I should not say everybody is terrorist. But they are under security agencies. Their prime minister doesn't hold much rights. They are run through their own thinkers. So in a way, You are making Pakistan stronger. If USA, UK and Germany enters the war, they should not even make a bubble, a big bubble of this small tussle between Russia and Ukraine. That is all what I want to say, and I do not know how people would react. Everybody have their own approach towards war. I have shared mine and I respect yours. Thank you.